Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage programming communities with Stack Overflow, complete guide step by step clearly. To effectively manage programming communities using Stack Overflow, start by understanding the platform's purpose. Familiarize yourself with the community guidelines and policies. Create a clear vision for your community by defining its goals. Encourage a culture of respect and inclusivity among members. Set up dedicated tags for specific programming languages or technologies. Monitor these tags regularly to ensure topics stay relevant. Encourage members to ask questions that are specific and well-researched. Provide comprehensive answers to help users find solutions quickly. Establish a feedback loop by responding to community suggestions and concerns. Promote high-quality content by highlighting top answers and contributors. Use analytics tools to track community engagement and growth metrics. Host regular Q&A sessions or webinars to boost interaction. Acknowledge and celebrate members who consistently contribute valuable content. Implement a system for flagging inappropriate content or behavior. Address any conflicts or disputes with transparency and fairness. Regularly update community guidelines to adapt to changes in feedback. Foster collaboration by encouraging peer-to-peer mentoring. Create a welcoming environment for new members by providing orientation materials. Encourage best practices for coding questions and answers. Utilize social media to share key discussions and attract new members. Maintain an active presence on the platform to guide discussions. Stay informed about technological advancements and industry trends. Facilitate networking opportunities for members to connect offline or in person. Periodically assess the overall health of the community through surveys. Reflect on the community's achievements and recognize growth areas. Keep communication open and maintain active dialogue with community members. Adjust strategies based on feedback and members' evolving needs. With these steps, you can effectively manage and nurture a thriving programming community on Stack Overflow. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.